Don't fall. That's one for Congo. Big climbing wall on a building. Crazy. Bit of Wendy's for breakfast. Got it for me. Whee! Hi Martini. See him there, yeah? Place is crazy. Hello.
Thank you.
Hi ladies. Well, there's a bit missing out of that apple. Some randomness, isn't there?
Even putting your camera, Jamie. Something motherfucker.
What do I say? Help! So tiny, yet functional. Good job. So we're just crossing the road here to a cool little shop that we wanted to visit while we're in Osaka. There is another one, it's too far away. Maybe we'll jump a taxi and be cheeky. I don't know, but let's just chill down this way. There's a lovely Lamborghini Urus beside Liberty Walk. Oh yeah. Right, Liberty Walk over and out. We're gonna head to the one in Shibuya as well. I think there's another two we need to visit.
Yeah.
There's one in Shibuya with the Hot Wheels stand on the outside, and as Martin said, there's an IKEA bus, but it's all made up already. Who put it together? You'd never know. But yeah, we're gonna head off now, do some more shopping and walking around. So yeah, let's go. Very nice. Beautiful. Hotel ticket bought. Time to head up and have a look. Martin, no one said there'd be steps. Oh, look at that. Very cool. Let's go. At Osaka Castle, just gonna check it out, and yeah, should be good scenes ahead. Let's go. So yeah, that was Osaka Castle. Unfortunately, I'm not allowed to film in most of the building, but I did get a little bit of what I could get. And these are the grounds outside Osaka Castle. It's pretty epic, pretty nice, good scenery all around. Like, it's all closed off. You're not allowed to walk up it. It's ancient. It's like from the 1600s and stuff, maybe even before that. But it is pretty epic. Mr. Crow. Mr. Raven, he's huge. He's a big bird. Give me a bit of a fright, but yeah, epic stuff. The buildings are incredible. So yeah, awesome stuff. We're gonna head off now, get our bullet train and head back to Tokyo.